Myself S.C. Pandey from Tagore Public School, Surajgarh. As I have delivered the different lectures in the chapter 5th, today I will deliver the lectures on the topic Law of Independent Assortment. Independent. What is mean of independent in the topic? Independent means not dependent on any trade. As law of independent assortment told that the many characters or many traits produces by the two pairs of traits in the cross, and law of independent assortment included in the dihybrid cross. In the dihybrid cross, good example is law of independent assortment. As why it is called as dihybrid cross? Because two pairs of contrasting trait takes part in the cross. As good example, if we cross the as round and yellow seed plant, round and yellow seed which has factors for round capital R, capital R. For yellow color seed coat, capital Y, capital Y. So round and yellow seed has shown by the two pairs of genes or factors which has given by the symbol capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. When round and yellow seed cross with the wrinkle and green, wrinkle and green seed, wrinkle and green seed has given by the symbol small r, small r, small y, small y. These are called parents, has shown by the symbol P. When the plant develop flower, then male flower produces male gamete, female flower produces female gamete. Then the meiosis division, separation of gamete take place. Gametes has shown by the symbol capital G, and these gametes separate which are deeper than in monohybrid cross. As you know, capital R for round seed, capital Y for yellow seed. So one factor enters in the gamete from capital R, and one factor enter in the gamete from capital Y. In this way, two gamete produces in the form of capital R, capital Y, and capital R, capital Y. Likewise, in the case of wrinkle and green seed, here wrinkle for small r small r and green for small y. So gametes produces are of two types. One is small r, small y, as another is also small r, small y. After gamete formation, the male gamete fuses with the female gamete. Male gamete, suppose these are the male gamete and fuses with the female gamete. Then in F1 means first filial generation. First filial generation is called as F1. This F1 has shown as this capital R, capital Y cross with small r, small y, or this capital R, capital Y cross with small r, small y. Then capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, and capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, which generally shows the round and yellow seed. Round and yellow seed shown by this bud in the impure form. So impure round and yellow seed also called as hybrid. Also called as hybrid. When the self-pollination occurs, as self-pollination occurs between the such gametes, here as a result of self-pollination between these gametes, four types of gametes develop in the form of male gamete, as the male gamete are generally found as capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, and small r, small y. Likewise, the four female gamete also produces. Here, four male gametes are capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, and small r, small y. Same type gamete produces as female gamete, like capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. Then male gametes which cross with the female gametes in the F1, which is called self-pollination, and produces the second filial generation, or has given by the symbol as F2. So in F2, the Punnett square, a chart is made which is noticed by the Punnett first of all. Then this chart name has given as Punnett square. This Punnett square, which has male gamete at upper part and female gamete at lower part. There are total of 4 male gamete present, and By this, total of 16 type of gamete produces after crossing with 4 female gamete, as 4 whole square means 16. So 16 columns are made by making 3 vertical line and 3 horizontal line. These are 16 squares made. After this, we put the male gamete as capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. Likewise, female gametes are given as in the form of the capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, and small r, small y. These are a type of Punnett square discovered by R.C. Punnett. We know that male gamete cross with female gamete in the formation of a diploid cell, which is called as zygote. So, on the basis of this formula, this capital R cross with capital R, then we find capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Next gamete is capital R, capital R, capital Y, small y. Third gamete is capital R, small r, capital Y, capital Y. This is third zygote. Now fourth one, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. This is fourth type of zygote. In the second series, it is capital R, capital R, capital Y, small y, by the fusion of male gamete with the female gamete. Next one, capital R, small y, small y. And third in this row is capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. And fourth zygote is given by symbol capital R, small y, small y. So 2 rows has completed. Likewise, by the cross between male gamete and female gamete, we can complete the third row also. It is capital R, small r, capital Y, capital Y. Next one, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Third zygote is small r, capital Y, capital Y. Fourth one, small r, capital Y, small y. Now, fourth row has following types of zygote as capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, capital R, small y, small y, small r, capital Y, small y, small r, small y, small r. In this way, 14 zygotes formation take place. But these zygotes are differ in the morphology when it produces the plant. Suppose these are the symbol for this symbol for round and yellow seed, round and yellow seed, and next symbol is round but green seed. This is round and green seed. Next symbol is wrinkled and yellow seed. This is for wrinkled and yellow seed. And fourth one, which is for wrinkled and green seed. This is for wrinkled and green seed. And capital R, capital R, capital Y, this shows the round and yellow seed. Capital R, capital Y, small y also shows round and yellow seed. Capital R, small r, capital Y also shows round and yellow seed. Capital R, small y also shows round and yellow seed. First rows 4 are round and yellow seeds, shows dominant trait. In second row, capital R, capital Y, small y shows round and yellow seed. But this is round and green seed. Capital R, capital Y, small y is round and yellow seed. Here, next one is round and green seed. In third row, it is found that round and yellow seed, next one round and yellow seed, next one wrinkled and yellow seed, next one also wrinkled and yellow seed. Here round and yellow seed, round and green seed. Here wrinkled and yellow seed, and last one wrinkled and green seed. So in this way, the F2 generation phenotype ratio in F2 generation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 are round and yellow type. Next, 3 are round and green. 1, 2, 3. And next, 3 are wrinkled and yellow. 1, 2, 3. And 1 is wrinkled but green. This. So total of 16 zygote produces, which has 4 types of traits, but in the parent only 2 types or 2 pairs has seen, but in the F2 generation 4 pairs appear. Phenotypically means external look. That is why it is called as independent assortment. independent assortment is the character of dihybrid cross. If I discuss about the such ratio 9:3:3:1, it is just the doubling of the monohybrid phenotype ratio, like it is equal to the monohybrid phenotype ratio is 3:1. So if 3:1 multiplied by 3:1, then we obtain the 9:3:1, and this is the 3:1 is the phenotype ratio in monohybrid cross, as genotype ratio in dihybrid cross is genotype ratio obtained by the multiplying genotype ratio of monohybrid cross. Suppose genotype ratio of monohybrid cross is 1:2:1. When it multiplied by the 1:2:1, so the multiplication shows that as 1:2:1. So genotype ratio in the F2 generation in case of dihybrid cross obtained by the multiplying genotype ratio in the monohybrid cross. So this is the phenotype ratio 9:3:3:1, and genotype ratio is 1:2:1:4:2:4:2:1:1 in the F2 generation in case of dihybrid cross. Dihybrid cross term has given because there are two pairs of the traits involved in the hybrid. One is as for round trait, one pair factor, that is capital R, capital R. For yellow traits, one pair factor is capital Y, capital Y. And these two pair factor cross with another two pairs for wrinkle which has symbol small r, and for green small y. When round and yellow seed cross with wrinkled and green seed, first of all gamete formation take place in the form of capital R, capital Y, capital R, capital Y, and the gamete produces by the wrinkled and green seed small r, small y. When gametic fusion takes place in F1 generation, it produces capital R, small y, capital Y, small y, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. But by the help of this, male gametes are four types: capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. Likewise, four female gametes also produces. These are the same. And by the help of Punnett square, which is told by R.C. Punnett, as 16 columns are present in the form of a square, male gamete has given upper part and female gamete has lower part. Total zygote form, these are 16, shows the phenotype ratio 9:3:3:1, and genotype ratio is 1:2:1:4:2:1:2:1:1. In this way, the law of independent assortment told that when the two pairs of traits cross with each other, then it produces 4 pairs of traits. It means traits which generally has the factors which are independent to show their traits. This is called as law of independent assortment. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Super Classes. Thanks.